So as you can see, I'm done. I've got the belt replaced, but I just wanted to start you off by showing you all the tools you need. I used the crowbar. I just used to for the helping me get this cover off. The cover's set on this pin, so it can be kind of tricky to get off. Metric sockets, 13, 14, just 10 through 15, 10 through 16. So socket set, a couple of extensions, and the only reason I use the extensions is to get these two bolts down here, but see, this is rubber. You can get it with a regular wrench. I just used it to get from up here. 27 millimeter for that one, and then what's the other one? Now this is a 7/8. I'm not sure what the metric equivalent, but 7/8 works. And then you will need impact to break these guys loose. This is just my cheapo Harbor Freight electric one, or hardwired one, but works fine. Just need a wrench, pair of pliers, something to hold this nut here. And that's about it. Screwdriver, I just pop the little plastic guys loose. I use this little guy to pop all these little guys loose. That's it. You just need about, I think I've spent probably 30 to 40 minutes. I'll have to double check, but just to get to this point. So I think last time it took me about 2 hours. You could do it faster, but I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing here. So anyways, here we go. Alright, need to get two bolts. I just got them a couple inches long. The same thread as the seat hold downs, but I don't think they're long enough. The seat hold downs are long enough to do it. Go. Alright, see how that belt dropped in a little bit, gives you a little bit of slack. Cool. There we go. Just got to keep reseating it till it finds its sweet spot. Back these out. Okay. This one's to tighten as normal. This one's backwards. Okay, that's it. Now it's just put it all back together. Don't forget this little ground wire over here. I don't know what it's grounding, but any kind of ground wire you would think is important. Maybe get my blower out the dust out of this thing and put it all back together.